how to subscribe to the local Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can subscribe to the local Yelp, and here's how to go about it. Now, Yelp is a popular online directory for discovering local businesses, ranging from restaurants and cafes to hairdressers and gas stations. And then if you are looking for how to subscribe to the local Yelp or explore local businesses, here is how to go about it. The first step is to create an account on the Yelp website, or you can just download the Yelp app on an iOS or Android, whichever one of your choice. And then once you've done that, on the page you can see a number of local restaurants being displayed based on your location. All right, based on your location and your business type. Okay, well, if you have a business in mind, you can just go to the top part of the screen, the search box, type out the exact kind of business you want. Is it restaurants, a delivery section, takeout, whatever? Then for restaurant, just click on it, and then restaurants based on your location would be displayed. So these are the local restaurants, your location. And then once you can see this, you can just go ahead and select one. All right, so select the one that you desire. So on this page, you can now select or go to the business page, check out their opening section, their closing section, their location, and then check out offers that they have, the offer stickers they have, maybe a reservation they have, the vegan option. Check this or check out all of this, and then you can now decide to pay a visit to the business physically. And then once you're there, you can easily connect socially with other customers. And how do you connect socially with other customers? By leaving reviews. Okay, you can just leave a review or comment on that people's review. By the time you make comments on their reviews and the comment is being returned, from there you can build a social network, and then you can also link your Yelp account to your Facebook account. All of this will enable you to subscribe to the local Yelp, such that whenever a new restaurant is added on Yelp, you will be notified via your email. So this is how you can do this. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.